Good evening, class. So today I have posted a link on our blog that will link you to the moon's orbit page. This is where we're going to be understanding the moon phase and the position of the moon based on its moon phase in regard to the transition around the Earth. So whenever you reach this page, go ahead and press the play button to observe the moon in motion, transitioning around the Earth. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it for the sake of the video. This is where we can understand that as the moon transitions around, we can observe the moon phases going in through. Once we've reached the final spot where we were before, go ahead and explore on different moon phases like first quarter and full moon. With this website, we should be able to understand what the positions are of the moon and how they're supposed to look. We can discuss this further on Monday, but I just want to go ahead and get you guys to get comfortable and understanding of what the positions of the moons are and their moon phases. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.